In the world of garment manufacturing, every order begins with a tech pack, a dense, detailed blueprint from the buyer that defines exactly how a garment must be made. Sketches, measurements, materials, specifications, every element matters. For the merchandiser, this is where the real work begins, decoding the tech pack, aligning purchase orders between buyer and supplier, building a bill of materials precise enough to cost the order and accurate enough to protect the margin. It's a process that traditionally takes more than 15 days. One missed component, one overlooked trim, and the cost of error multiplies across the entire production line. Enjen AI changes this completely. We've built an intelligent BOM generation engine, purpose-built for the apparel and garment industry. What once took 15 days, Enjen AI delivers in just 15 seconds. Powered by our proprietary computer vision model, advanced data injection frameworks, and large language models working in unison, Enjen AI reads, understands, and extracts every actionable element from the tech pack with precision that human effort simply cannot match at scale. But extraction is only the beginning. Here is where Enjen AI stands apart. Our proprietary AI engine doesn't stop at what the tech pack tells you. It understands what the tech pack misses. Enjen AI identifies them, adds them, completes them, delivering a true PO-ready bill of materials, ready for costing, ready for sourcing, ready for production. Across the global apparel industry, Enjen AI is fast becoming the operational edge that leading merchandisers and manufacturers rely on. Demand is accelerating, adoption is rising, and the brands moving first are moving ahead. Enjen AI. Book your demo today and step into the future of garment merchandising.